Hey guys, I'm Kate, I'm your plastic-free mermaid, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a homemade air freshener. So this is our little bathroom spray. So if someone does a number 2 or a poo, we just spray this and it clears the air of the stinky smell. Perfect! You can also create these just for your house, just to cleanse the energy of a room. So this is just an easy, super easy thing to make from stuff you probably already have in your house. So this one, mine is full. I only have one little spray bottle for our bathroom, so I'll just make a backup so that when this gets used up, I'm ready to go and top up my spray. So what do we put in it? We put 3/4 cup water. We put 2 tablespoons vodka or rubbing alcohol, or if you're going for a more floral or sweet scented room spray, use 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. I'm doing a lemon lavender eucalyptus spray. I find it's a really great way to incorporate local plants that I have around the area, and also the eucalyptus, and really clears the stink out of the air nicely. So I've got some lavender that left over from when I was making bath salts and different body products. So I like to always put a few little leaves and things in my air fresheners. I just think it makes the bottle look cuter when there's a few leaves and things inside. So I'll put some of my lavender in, then I'll put 10 drops of lavender essential oil. 10. I always try to use high quality essential oil, and I'll do 8 drops eucalyptus oil. And then I like to put in some leaves, as I mentioned. So I'm going to put in some lemon myrtle leaves. The longer that these leaves sit in here, the more they'll release their own natural scent. And these lemon myrtle leaves are so citrus smelling, are so potent. So I think they'll make, I use these a lot in teas, and it just has such a nice tea. So the longer they sit in here, especially with the vanilla, the more they'll release their own aroma. And they just look really nice inside. And that's it. There we go. We have a little room freshener spray. So this will be nice. It'll sit for probably a week or until I find another bottle, and then I can just make this one into a gift. And it'll be a really nice spray to keep our toilet from smelling like poo. Because I live with a bunch of boys. Dirty, yucky boys. Ew. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Super easy. We don't need to buy those little plastic spray bottles to help our house smell nice. We can just use plants and oils that we already have. So good luck to you. Again, subscribe to my channel, Plastic Free Mermaid, if you haven't already, for more amazing tips to come back to nature, to come back to this sweet, enriched, natural lifestyle, and just step away from the synthetic, the consumer-based, plastic-using, lots of trash, none of that. And find me on Instagram, Plastic Free Mermaid, Facebook, Plastic Free Mermaid, and visit my website, iPutPlastics.com, to hear about my mermaid retreat, my workshops and products. Yay! Have a great day! See you later! Mwah.